Look at my snack between jobs. Corn and red. No truck. No big mower. My legs are like jelly. Can't wait till I don't have to do this anymore. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate what the lawn service has given me. But at this point, I would just like to do less of it and spend more time on things that are important to me. And I just get irritated sometimes. I will survive. Flies must have a sense of humor, because they're flying all around my face, landing on my face in the car. Then I open the window and the fly disappears. And every time I roll up the window, the fly lands on my face again. There you go, freedom. Leave me alone. I just dropped someone and it feels so good. This lady's always looking for a way out of paying me, tricking me, running inside when she sees my car, saying that she isn't there when she's parked inside of the garage, saying that she'll leave the money out and she won't. Well, this latest thing, I cut her yard on Friday, couldn't get to the backyard. She came back into town Monday, and then says her front yard has spots in it that needs to be cut. So she expected me to cut the front again 4 days later for free. We didn't see eye to eye, and I stood my ground. We met somewhere in the middle, but then I thought about it. I don't want to deal with her anymore. I would rather make room for a serious payer. So, I cut her loose. Feels so good. So this is the irritating noise I've been hearing. Emergency alert. Generated Louisiana Amber Alert. License number 191 CFG. Louisiana 2002 white Nissan Altima 4-door. Why don't they describe the child and the suspect? Okay. Mail order taker called me my love. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Large root beer, $2.19, sir.
That's a diet root beer.
I mean, $6.19, $6.13.
Okay.
Diet root beer.
Yeah. No ice.
No ice. Yeah, I need that chocolate sundae. What you got right here? I know.
All right. Thank you.
Chocolate sundae is cool. Thanks, sir. Have a great day. Come back to see you.
Oh, this is hilarious. On this radio show, they're saying not to stay outside this time of day in the full sun. I've been working in it for 4 hours. Friday afternoon, ready to get out of this traffic and stay at home. Unique situation here. Mama Blue Jay swooped down on my head pretty hard. I thought something fell on me. And she's protecting the baby birds. And I told the lady that I don't want to cut because it'll mess up the process. And she agreed with me, so we're going to let him get strong enough to fly off. So, that's a good customer. Doesn't mind tall grass to save the baby birds. Let me show you. Maybe I'll get swooped on again. Here she is. 2 of them. Oh, mad. Oh, show you the babies. There's one. Just got swooped on. I don't see number 2. There's number 2 right here. Get out the road. Just got hit in the head. Get her in the yard. I'm surprised how hard those blue jays can come down and hit my head. It kind of hurts now. I hope I can get through this construction zone before I run out of gas. I don't like this gas meter on this car. One minute looks like you're fine, then the next minute your car is shaking and it's going to run out of gas. Oh, just not today, man. Come on. I'm going to have to pull over in this business district because my car is starting to shake. I had about a cup full of gas in my lawnmower gas can. I just need to get across the boulevard, then I'll be in my subdivision. This boulevard. I'm in, but I think I can make it. Look at that heat. Woohoo! Got a letter from Jack in the Box. I complained about a rude employee. Got a free meal. Well, I'd feel better if you'd fire her. Greg wants to play with Lee. This fall, I'm going to sell everything in here, or throw it away, or give it away. I have some pet porters, kennels, chairs, gas tank, odds and ends, maybe some big wrenches, an old TV, a bike, blown out lawn equipment. Oh yeah, encyclopedia set, 2 totes, microwave, old TV, jack, VCR, you get the idea, and another bike. There have been a few years where I made enough in the salvage business to pay for 1 mortgage payment, around $900. Lamp, tools, maybe some of this. Look at the stray cat. Wants something to eat. Thinks he's part of the family. I'll go get him something. Get it. I like dark skies right before it rains.